Right, so I buried a cable last week and it's unstable. So I'm just thinking if I'm going to put some cable underground, maybe I should get this direct bury cable. And the product that I found online was this outdoor copper gel filled, and this is the bit in the middle. I just took out the cap and I'm just trying to put a cap on it. And first off, it's very difficult to work with because of all this gel spewing out, and it's got like double cap shielding, which is good, but it does make it you can't cut it with this. I had to cut it with this manually, and the wires feel a little bit thicker, and I've been trimming them down and down and down, straightening them out again and again and again, trimming them again and again and again. And I still cannot get the cap on. This is the cap that Cannibal also supplied to me. They supplied it with the earlier cable, so maybe, I wish their customer service was better, but I just cannot push it in. I think these cables are a different gauge or something, and hence they just do not go. They just do not want to go inside this cap. So that's where I'm at, and I hope you can help me. Internet.